Hello again, everyone. What you see here on the screen is going to be the Keep Me membership side of our platform. And this is where our true AI model comes into play. It's within this portion of the platform where you can understand and predict member behavior and what their actual likelihood is to stay or leave your club with up to 95% accuracy. Now, let's start with this Keep Me score right here on the top left. It's coming in at 66. This is an absolute number from 0 to 100. And you do want to push this number as close to 100 as possible. You'll also notice these different cohorts of members, starting from low, going to moderate to high risk. Your low risk members are going to be your raving fans, your most loyal customers. Now, this group here would be an excellent group to enroll into member referral programs, as well as to capture valuable insights via our NPS surveys, which you can send out via email or SMS from our platform. Going on to the moderate risk, this group of members are going to be on the fence, right? They could go either way. Right? These members, with the goal in mind here, would be to analyze and create new methods for engagement through our automations and manual outreach, such as calls from your front desk staff, to help push them back over to this low risk category. And then lastly, we have the high risk, right? Your high risk members are also known as the sleeping dogs in the industry. Unfortunately, this group of members have not been into your club for some time, and the likelihood of them canceling is pretty high. Now, a lot of our clients do opt to remove them from any communication efforts because it's only going to lead to a high percentage of churn. But this decision is ultimately up to you regarding communication efforts with this group. But as we all know, the ultimate goal is to avoid having members fall into this category in the first place. And that could be avoided through a great onboarding process and consistent communication with your members throughout the year and ongoingly as long as they're a member at your club. And this is truly what Keep Me membership was designed to do. We're going to provide you with all of the insights, automations, and tools to keep your members as far removed from this high-risk category as possible. And Keep Me's automations, partnered with our smart membership scoring, can increase membership duration by 12 months. And this was, in fact, the case for many of our clients, and it still is today. Now, once our model is up and running, as I mentioned, it will automatically organize your members into these different cohorts of low, moderate, or high risk, right? That happens automatically, so you guys don't even have to think about it, which is going to give you a great bird's eye view into their current scores, providing you with a very comprehensive understanding of what the true status is for all members at any given time as it relates to churn. And we are able to do so, as I said, with 95% accuracy. Now, the entire process to build out your custom AI model takes about 69 weeks to complete. Now, this amount of time is necessary in order for our technology team to pull and analyze all of your data sets from your membership management system, be it Club Automation, Jonas, ABC, or any other MMS system that we partner with. Now, we will pull everything and anything we can from your membership management system. This is inclusive but not limited to such items such as frequency of attendance, the attendance duration, classes booked, classes missed, all products purchased, as well as engagement records, right? Text messages, which messages were opened, which were read, which were not read. Emails, what emails were received, what were read, what were opened, what were clicked on, what were not read, right? All of that goes into account into the AI model so that it can begin to understand the behaviors of your members. And it will continue to learn as you are a partner with Keep Me. The longer the AI model is digesting information, the smarter it's going to get. Because it's going to understand your members' behaviors with every additional interaction that gets inputted into the system. So what we'll do first to start the build of your custom AI membership model is to start by pulling in your past 12 months of what we call your historical data, which is going to make up 80% of the build. And we'll use this to train the model. We'll then couple this with your present day data, which makes up the other 20% of the build, to evaluate the accuracy of its initial predictions. The model will then ultimately generate millions of potential scenarios regarding whether or not your members will stay or leave the club. Now, the accuracy of the Keep Me score right here is going to arise from the millions and millions of potential scenarios tested. So you can imagine the AI system having millions of different potential outcomes being tested over and over. That allows us to reach that 95% accuracy.